Today, I'll show you how to open a Webull account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, setting up your Webull account is a straightforward process that will have you exploring the platform in no time. To begin, you need to head over to the Webull website or simply open the Webull app on your mobile device. This initial step gets you into the Webull ecosystem where you can start your investing journey. Once you're on the website or app, look for the option that says sign up or open an account. Clicking on this option will take you to the next stage of the registration process. Here, you'll have a few choices for how to continue, either by entering your email address or phone number or by selecting the option to continue using your Google account. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. This step is crucial as it sets up your login credentials and security details. After successfully setting up your basic account, you'll move on to the application process. This involves entering your personal information, which includes your full legal name, date of birth, phone number, and identification details. It's important to provide accurate information here to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Depending on your country, you might also need to provide your social security number or tax information. Webull requires this information for compliance with financial regulations, so make sure you have these details handy. With all your personal information entered, take a moment to review everything carefully. This is your opportunity to double-check for any errors or inaccuracies. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, go ahead and submit your application. After submission, your application will undergo a review process. This is usually quick, but the time it takes can vary, so be patient. Once your account is approved, congratulations, you can now access the Webull dashboard. This is where the real fun begins as you start exploring all the trading and investing features Webull has to offer. From buying and selling stocks to analyzing market trends, the dashboard is your gateway to managing your investments. And that's how to open a Webull account. Now that you have your account set up, you're ready to dive into the world of trading and investing with Webull. Happy trading!